How you doing?
All good, sir. Thank you.
Pad 53, Jonathan Bud Busen from Harrisonville, Missouri, flying an IPXL 16 and Virgin Pursuit Lab, the 1 pound 6 ounce rocket on a G40. Jonathan, we're flying your rocket pad 53 at 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're not sure. We're going over to pad 54. Eddie Williams from Covington, Louisiana, Yellow Jacket, Composite Warehouse, on an Aerotech L1940X, main at 800 feet. Pad 54, Eddie Williams at 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we got some smoke. Okay, we're going back to pad 56. Pad 56 on, this is the cluster.
Are you doing a tracker?
Oh, yeah.
Low short overlay. Alan, there's a cluster rocket that we couldn't get off a few minutes ago. Alan is still from Seabrook, Texas. There's a great
where are you going?
flying a cluster of
Taking some videos.
160s and 200s with an air starter of an IG-24. Going 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And it doesn't like that one either. We're on 55. It doesn't like 50. Try 56. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, yeah, that's still not going. Okay, last on the 50s, at 57, Steve Rogowski from Painted Post, New York, flying a rocket called Sugar Rush. This is a J1850 Sugar rocket, sugar motor, made the point at 500 feet. Steve, flying your rocket pad 57, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going into the 30s here. Pad 33, Eric Steinhagen from miles, somewhere in Nebraska. Flying a Lance Beta, West Coast manufactured kit, 2.5 pounds on an F-27. Jolly Logic, that's set for 400 feet. Eric, flying your rocket on pad 3. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, heads up at the flight line north. It's coming down. It looks like it's going to move away from us. Okay, Tony Johan, from Jefferson, Wisconsin, flying an A Junior, the Wildman Aerospace Jetty 460, Blue Thunder motor. Main deployment at 600 feet. Tony will fly your rocket on pad 34. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Not a bad first flight on that thing. He's a G bad. He's a really bad one.